Well, hello there, friends and family. We're back out on the property. Be a little bit different video today of the food crisis. We got a few more of those coming out. We're not quite ready to release them. Right now, we're back out by the old compost piles where we put all our kitchen scraps and stuff. And if you remember, been doing this series here. This will be the third video in the series on Man Composting. I got a whole lot of stuff to put in there. It's been about 25 days since the last time I cracked this open. Now I know I said we'd come back to it in 10 days like we did the first time, but you know what? Sometimes life happens. We haven't been able to get back to it. So we're going to do that today. And it's extremely overcast. It's been raining the last 2 days. And we need that. So we'll set the camera up. We're going to go ahead and uncover this. And we're going to see what's left. And we're going to add to it. And we're going to cover it up. Now this will be the last video in this series. Unless my viewers want to see it again. And I'll let y'all decide. Do we uncover it in 5 days, 10 days, 20 days? We got a pile of stuff to put back in it. I've been cleaning out the fridge, pantry, what have you. Let me show you what we got. This is what's going in it today. Here's a pile of stuff in bags. Milk carton that we let go bad. Trix just wasn't quite drinking all our milk. And then here we got a coffee can full of fairly molded coffee grounds. This will really get this pile going. So this is what we're going to be putting in it today. And like I said, if you want to see how my worms do over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 days, whatever, you just let me know in the comments. We'll do another video on it. If not, this will be the last. I'll set you up here on the tripod, and we'll go ahead and take the tarpaulin off, rake off the cover, see what's left. Okay. So there we go. I think I got to where y'all can see it. We're gonna go ahead and get this tarp off. And you can see by a little small dark spot there, that's where we loaded up last time. We didn't have much. That's why we went ahead and waited a while. Just one person, takes a while to gather up enough kitchen scraps to really feed my worms. And you can see right here, there's a potato left. And an onion, of course. The onion's starting to sprout. Other than that, everything we put in, about 25 days ago, worms come up, they ate it all. Now, I'll insert a little short clip right now to show you what we loaded up into it from 25 days ago. And you can watch that right now. Then we'll come back and show you everything we're putting into it now. Okay, back out here at the compost pile, or our worm farm, as we affectionately call it. And you can see I went on in the house and I got whatever food scraps I had. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we dumped everything we had in, and we had quite a bit this time. Oh, we had coffee grounds we saved up, we had some potatoes that were hid underneath the counter that we let go bad. Got paper plates in there, cantaloupe rind, some green beans that got hid in the fridge, acorn squash from our pantry. It got a little bit soft and moldy, and some milk. Well, now it's sort of clabbered milk or cheese, whichever way you want to call it. Trix really didn't drink a lot of milk here a couple weeks back, and she wasn't feeling good, so I just sort of let it clabber some. So you can see quite a bit. I think there was a butternut squash in there somewhere. So now what we're going to do, like always, is we're going to cover it up, water it in, throw the tarp over it, and let the worms feast on their new meal. I didn't leave much left from last time. Like I say, based on what you're seeing now, if you'd like to see what my worms leave of it, here in 5, 10, 15, 20 days or whatever, just let me know in the comments. And I'll do another video. If not, we'll just proceed on with our daily lives here at Deep South Bama. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get this covered up, and I'll come back to you, okay? Now y'all, you might notice, got it all covered up. And this is where we're gonna leave it, because we're expecting some more rain today. And rather than me pay old City of Tallahassee for water, I'm gonna let Mother Nature and God water it in, then I'll cover it up with a tarp. So that's how we're gonna leave it right now, till we get the rain. Then I'll come out and cover it back up. So, there you have it. The whole purpose of this 3-video series was to show you, kids, you don't need a lot to do composting. Yeah, you can go out and buy stuff, make you a nice structure, 4x4, 4x6, 4x8, whatever you want. You can put a cover over it. You can do it with pallets. You can do it whichever way you want. But if you ain't got no money and you'd like to get into composting so you can start gardening, it's just that easy. Now, you have to check it. Maybe your worm population where you live isn't so great, but it don't take much to run over to a bait store. Get you some of the red wigglers. Don't get earthworms. Ask for red wigglers. Or you can buy them off Amazon or online. I'm going to leave a site to a guy up in North Alabama. Can't write offhand. It's Greg. And he sells red wigglers. He has a YouTube channel that explains all this, of course. He has worm bands and all that. And I mean, if you want to get totes, you want to make a worm bin, you want to go on Amazon and buy you a permaculture system, you can do that. My point here is, I've never had to do any of that in over, going on 57 years of doing it. I just do it like this. The worms come up from the ground, they take care of it. No expense involved. So, friends and family, till I see you next time on the next video, y'all take care, stay safe, be prepared, and God bless each and every one of you. Goodbye for now. Yep. Heavy overcast. Looking for more rain. We'll take it on in the house. Edit this video. Goodbye, y'all.